everyone, and welcome back to English with Cheri. I'm Cheri, and I'm so excited you're here to learn with me today. Look what I have. It's a brand new book all about body parts. It looks so colorful and fun, doesn't it? I wonder what's inside. What if we could actually go inside the book and explore? Wouldn't that be an amazing adventure? Let's give it a try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, jump!
Wow, look at me! I'm tiny! And look at that! We've landed on a giant Cheri!
Well, hello up there.
Wow, this is so cool! We're starting our adventure on her head. This is the head. Can you say it with me? Head. And what's this on top of the head? It's so long and shiny. This is hair. That's right, hair. Let's keep exploring. Now let's slide down a little bit. Ooh, what are these? These are eyebrows. We have 2 of them, one over each eye. Eyebrows. And right below them, we have our eyes. We see the world with our eyes. This big Cheri has beautiful brown eyes. And what's this in the middle of the face? This is the nose. We use our nose to smell all the wonderful things, like flowers and yummy food. And this pie smells yummy.
Hi, this is my nose. See? It's right here. Noses are pretty cool. Let's keep going down. Here we have the lips. My lips are red. And behind the lips, what do we have? Let's open it up. This is the mouth. And inside the mouth, look at those pearly whites. These are the teeth. We use our teeth to chew our food. And what's that wiggly thing inside? That's the tongue. The tongue helps us talk and taste.
So we have lips, mouth, teeth, and tongue. You're doing great! Now, what are these on the sides of the head? We have 2 of them. These are the ears.
We listen to music and are friends with our ears.
Yeah, it's the best!
Totally, sharing the vibes. Hi, let's learn about the face. This whole front part is the face. Can you say face? Great, you're doing so well. Let's keep learning together. This part here connects the head to the rest of the body. This is the neck. Can you touch your neck? Good. From the neck, we go out to the sides. These are the shoulders. Shoulders. We can shrug our shoulders or carry a backpack on them. See? Shoulders are pretty versatile.
And attached to the shoulders are our arms. We have 2 long arms. Let's wave our arms. Hello!
In the middle of our arm, we have a part that lets us bend it. This is the elbow. Can you bend your elbow? Perfect.
Now let's travel all the way down the arm.
What do we find at the end?
We find our hands. We have 2 hands. We use our hands to write, to draw, and to wave hello. And on our hands, we have 10 little fingers. Let's wiggle our fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! I counted them all. And on the tip of each finger, we have a fingernail. Look, a tiny fingernail. Okay, let's go back to the middle of the body. This front part here is the chest. Got it? And below the chest, we have our stomach. Awesome! This is where all the delicious food goes after we eat it. My stomach is rumbling just thinking about it. Okay, that covers chest and stomach. Now, let's journey down even further.
We have 2 long legs that help us walk, run, and jump. These are our legs.
And just like the elbow on our arm, our legs have a part that bends in the middle. This is the knee. The knee is a joint that lets our legs bend, just like our elbows.
Can you bend your knee? Let's try hopping on one leg. Boing, boing.
We're almost at the end of our journey. At the bottom of our legs, we have our feet. We stand on our 2 feet. And what are these little things at the end of our feet? They are just like fingers, but for our feet. We call them toes.
Look at your toes. We have 10 toes. 5 on this foot, and 5 on the other foot. 10 toes all together!
And on the very tip of each toe, we have a tiny toenail. It's so small. Toenail. Wow, what an incredible journey from head to toe. We learned so many new words today. Head, hair, face, eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips, mouth, teeth, tongue, ears, neck, shoulders, chest, stomach, arms, elbows, hands, fingers, fingernails, legs, knees, feet, toes, toenails. Wow, such smooth nails. They're so shiny.
Hee hee tickly. You are amazing! Wait a minute. What's this down here by the giant toes? It's our book, the body parts book.
Wow, the body parts book. Let's see what's inside. A magical light, it's calling me. Here I go. And we're back. I'm back to my normal size. That was such a fun adventure, wasn't it? We learned all the parts of the body together. You did such a wonderful job today, and I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing your new words. Thank you so much for joining me on English with Cheri. I can't wait to see you in our next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. Bye-bye!